This barn owl was found trapped in a manja thread, unable to fly and struggling to free itself. Our rescue team acted quickly, using a telescopic pole to bring it down safely. We gently covered the owl with a cloth to reduce stress and carefully removed the manja threads tangled around its wings. The bird was also given a painkiller to ease its discomfort. Manja threads, often used for kite flying, are coated with glass or synthetic materials that can cause deep cuts and even fatal injuries to birds. Every year, countless birds suffer because of these dangerous threads. We urge everyone to stop using manja and choose safe, eco-friendly alternatives to protect our wildlife.